So you are interested in KitchenAid KSB1570ER. No doubt it is a wise choice and it is one of the top 5 countertop blenders on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 countertop blenders, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the KitchenAid KSB1570ER. If you're looking for the best countertop blender, we'd recommend the KitchenAid KSB1570ER. A robust motor, unique one-piece, 56-ounce BPA-free pitcher, stainless steel blades and electronic controls combine to create a powerful motion that is fast and thorough for exceptional blending results. Additionally, IntelliSpeed motor control senses contents and maintains optimal speed to power through all ingredients. Stir, chop, mix, puree or liquefy. Pulse mode works with all speeds for staggered blending, while the Crush Ice feature pulses at precise intervals for optimal ice crushing results. The Soft Start feature starts the motor at a slower speed to pull food into the blade, then quickly increases to the selected speed setting. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.